those 4 hormones are secreted in the brain when you praise people. It makes them feel good. It's like drugs. That's what people feel when they smoke cocaine. The dopamine is released in the brain. It's a feel-good hormone. And they feel that, wow, it feels so good. I must have it again. And they'll go the extra mile, sell their car to get the money just to buy it again. Because that feeling, I must have it again. Friends, when you praise your spouse, that dopamine is secreted. And they say, wow, she makes me feel good. He makes me feel good. I want to be in his presence all the time. 5 o'clock at work. And she look in the clock. I say, I can't wait to get home, man. You see her speeding on the road. The cop is following her. Why are you speeding like this? Because I have my dopamine at home. Amen. That's a source of her pleasure, her joy. Somebody that praise her. Oh, friends, let me tell you something. We start the day sometimes. I praise my wife. After a while, she's dancing in the house. She's singing everything. She goes to work in joy. 10 o'clock one morning, she calls me. She says, sweetheart, where are you? I finished 1 round of my work. Are you nearby? I said, okay, I'm coming back, taking the kids to school. You know, we met up 10 a.m. and she left work. We met up at some place, you know, and we had a little breakfast and we sat again in dining and we just enjoying each other again. Just to have another moment with each other was good enough. Amen. Because she's my dopamine. That's the secret to a happy home. Understand how the brain works. When somebody is putting you down all the time, you want to flee their presence. And that's one of the reasons why we have infidelity. You know one of the reasons of infidelity? It is because of what we call marital void. There's a void in the marriage. And all that is necessary for a thorn to grow is a crack in the sidewalk. So I say to homes, seal the crack. Amen? Seal the crack so that the thorns won't grow. Praise your spouse. Celebrate them. Scan the atmosphere to catch them doing good. But whatever you do, praise your spouse. Honor him. Love him. Praise her. Respect him. Celebrate him. Love her with your words. And when you do that, your home will be a little heaven on earth. The children will delight to dwell there. And the angels too